this is the Bosch Advanced Prune, and I was first introduced to this product a few months ago at the Garden Press event in London. I went onto the stand and the brand manager kindly took me through the details of the product. So before I go into my little video, here's a video of that exhibition and that explanation from the brand manager. Following that, I'll then do my breakdown. So I'm with Dan from Bosch. Hi Dan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So Dan, tell us a bit more about this product here.
Well, we've got a whole plethora of products here,
Yeah.
but first off we'll start off with this one here. We've got the Advanced Prune 18v-45, so 18 volt product. It's a pole pruner, a 45mm tooth opening on this as well, so it's able to cope with some really
That's quite large, is it? Because they're normally about 32, are they?
They are, yes. Yeah. This one, however, 45, so
okay.
Plenty of power in this as well. What I quite like about this product is the innovative switch design on here.
Okay.
So instead of having a pull lever or a trigger, you actually twist the handle and then pull it down, and that operates the actual jaw. So an extra added level of safety there to prevent you from accidentally activating the trigger.
Yeah, okay, right. And it's a battery product?
It is, yes.
Yeah.
Our full range of tools that we have on stand today all run off the same 18 volt battery. So really it's the one solution for absolutely all of these garden products here. Again, from a sustainability point of view, you only ever need one battery.
And that's not just your brand, is it?
No, it's not. We actually have a partnership between other brands such as Flymo, Gardenia, some of the other brands out there. They actually use our battery tech branded as their own, but as basically as a conglomerate to mean, again, you can buy all of those machines as well and only use the one battery.
Excellent. So, how does the Bosch Advanced Prune work in real life situations? So, in summary, the Bosch Advanced Prune is a really handy piece of kit. There's a lot of other pruners on the market, loads of hand pruners, but battery pruners are slightly more niche market, but it makes working at height so much more easy, because if your arms are up there all the time, all the blood's draining away from your arms, and if you've got to grip and pull at the same time, it's really difficult. But having the battery on a pruner just makes the whole job a lot easier. And added to that, the batteries that Bosch produce are part of the Power for All Alliance, which means they not only fit all the Bosch products, with dozens of them, I think they also fit other brands such as Gardena, Flymo and Husqvarna. Additionally, this jaw mechanism is real solid steel and it opens to 45mm. A lot of other blades only go to 30, 35, so that's quite a wide cut. You get a 3-year guarantee as standard. You also get the extension rod in the box, which goes from 1.2 as it is now to 1.8 with the maximum of the extension. It's a good size, it's well balanced, it's not too heavy, and it'll make a great addition to any garden that has tall shrubs or small trees.